This is Samsung S21 Fe 5G Snapdragon version. Currently this mobile got the Android 14 with One UI 6 update. So let's see what are the changes and the time took to update this mobile. It took almost more than 13 minutes to update this mobile from One UI 5 to One UI 6, and the update size is you can see on the screen here. There are so many changes you observe which I'm going to share in this video. Mainly I'm focusing on the noticeable changes, not in depth I'm going. So finally I updated the mobile. This is how the mobile looks like. The first thing I noticed is this notification panel. You can see it changed a lot. For your reference, I'm showing you the mobile running with One UI 5 also, so you have a better idea. This is S20 Fe 5G and this is S21 Fe, and this mobile is currently running with One UI 5.1. You can see the notification panel. See, this is how it looks like. If I drag, this is how it looks. See, a lot of fresh and good things are there. So many customizations you can do. There is a lot you can do with this one. I really like the notification in One UI 6 than One UI 5.1. Next thing also I noticed it is settings. So if I go to settings, see, this entire thing has changed. Previously it looks like this. See, the icons, the text, everything is changed. And also if you see this battery here on the display section, but in One UI 5 you will find the battery here, battery and device care. Now it separated, battery is separated and the device care is separated. See, and also if I go to the battery in One UI 5 and battery in One UI 6, you can see the changes here also made it. See, the graph and everything is changed, but internal settings are all same. Nothing changed much. Next thing is lock screen customization. This is One UI 5 and of course there is One UI 6. You can see the changes here too. We have only limited clock faces here, but here you can see some more added clock faces, and also you can customize these things. So some little changes I noticed when compared to One UI 5.1. There is no change in the apps, like the icons I'm telling, it's same as the previous one. So but overall the look and feel changed a little bit, and I feel little touch of One UI 5.1. Now some of the most common questions I'm going to answering now. The first question is any lags that I observed after this update. No guys, I didn't observe any lags after this update. It's working same as the previous, and even I didn't find any improvements or decreasing in the performance. It's same as before. Second thing, any heating issues. During the update I found like this mobile heating up, but after 30 minutes it's in normal mode and I didn't face any of the heating issues now. Next thing, any format happened after the update. It is shifting from Android 13 to Android 14, so that's why this question rises in your mind. There is no such thing happened guys. Previously I installed these games and even some screenshots also are there because I'm testing this mobile. So the screenshots and everything are there, and also the games are also there in the app. So there is no format happened, but for your safety side just do a backup. And also one more feature they added here is if you go to settings and search for auto blocker, this is new feature they added. This is not available in One UI 5.1, so I will search here for you. See, this is auto blocker. It actually blocks the things and it's like an added layer security for you. It's really cool thing, and also it blocks from unauthorized stores, security checks, blocks the commands by USB cable. So if in case your mobile is theft by anyone or anyone installing the viruses, this is really helpful for you. So these are the changelogs that I noticed in One UI 6. So that's all about the Samsung S21 Fe 5G One UI 6 with Android 14 update.